welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be an Ulta unboxing. On November 5th, Ulta had their diamond perk thing. I think they do that like once a month or once every other month. So basically, if you are a diamond member and you purchase something online, you just enter a certain code and you get the diamond gift. They also had a bunch of other free gifts if you purchase a certain amount from either certain brands or certain categories. So they had a gift that was from Clinique that was if you purchase $30 or above, you can get it. They had a gift from Pop Beauty that if you spend $30 on skincare item, you can get it. They had a 7-piece men's gift set if you spend anything, if you buy anything that's men's related. Was that it? Those are the ones I took advantage of. So the way I ended up doing that, getting all these free gifts, is I looked for a gift for my husband. So I looked for a men's gift or a men's item that is skincare related. And for that, I ended up buying this guy, which is the beard grooming kit. It includes a cleanse, which is the beard wash. It includes the beard loop, the conditioning shave. It includes the beard oil and the styling comb. And this is by Jack Black. This was $35. So this automatically qualified me for the men's gift. It automatically qualified me for the gift that is that you get if you purchase $30 or above, and it also qualified me for the gift if you spend $30 on skincare, because this item is considered skincare. So let me show you the gifts that I received by just purchasing this item, which was $35. Now there also was an offer that if you buy anything from Jack Black, you get a gift from Jack Black, which was this guy. So as soon as I purchased that, I qualified for the face buff. So I got the face buff for free. And since that is a skincare item, I got the skincare gift, which was this guy, which is by Pop Sugar Beauty. And this is a lip balm, a tinted lip balm. I think it's what it said. Oh, it doesn't look tinted at all. It looks just like a regular lip balm. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm pretty excited. And, ooh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla. So that was one of my gifts. The other gift that I received for purchasing $30 or more was a set by Clinique, and this is the Moisture Surge Face Spray and the Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. So that's what it is. Those little two guys. Let me see how big is this guy. Okay, it's decent. Deluxe size item. Got more gifts, you guys. The men's gift that you get when you purchase anything from like men's was 7-item a set. My husband already cracked into it. They were all in this little bag, but we opened it last night because I was excited. I wanted to see. So he got the Bed Head for Men Lion Tamer Beard and Hair Balm, and this is a full size. It's 100 milliliters. He got the Billy Jealously Beard Control Smooth and Style beard something. So, and this is 60 mils. I don't think this is full size. I don't think at all it's full size. He got the Redken Brews sample shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It does say sample on it. He got a Percy Nobleman beard conditioning oil, and this guy is little too. This is 10 mils. He got the Invictus little perfume. The men's gift, you had a choice of 3 different things, and I love the Invictus on him, so I wanted this specific set for the Invictus, and unfortunately it came broken, and it had like the whole box. Smelled so good, but it's okay. I love the smell on him. I bought him the full size for Father's Day, so I picked this specific kit just for that, and oh well. He also got the John Varvatos Artisan Blue Eau de Parfum. This is 15 milliliters. This guy's so cute. Look at it. Looks like the full-size bottle. I think those are adorable. And then the last item that was from the 7-piece gift that he got is House 99 by David Beckham. And this is beard and hair balm, a little thing as well, and this is 5 mils. So all of these, because I spent $35, and they have the platinum perk or the diamond perk. It is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. I think this is $28 because they do sell it on the website, and you get 4 items in here. You get, is it 4? 5. Duh, I can't see. So you get the lashes, a pair of lashes. It's so reflective. Okay, you get these lashes. You get a man-eater eyeliner. You get a man-eater mascara. You get the Tarte's Pro glue, lash glue. And you get a Temptress Man-Eater highlighter. This thing looks so beautiful. I mean, look how adorable this is. Their Man-Eater collection is so cute. Ulta often has deals like this. It's just like, how are you gonna take the most advantage? I mean, I could have just picked any men's gift and got just like the men's gift set, gotten you know, like the Clinique thing and the Tarte. But by choosing like a men's skincare item, I was able to score another like freebie. And by it being Jack Black, I was also able to score another freebie. Keep your eyes out on deals like that because Ulta does do these. I think they do it about once a month or once every other month. And there definitely are ways to maximize your free gifts by doing something like this. Like, okay, look for the category that's going to get you the most gifts. Take advantage of the system. I mean, I don't know that you're taking advantage of the system because you had already spent your money and, you know, you kind of are platinum or diamond. I think most of these were platinum perks. But this one was the diamond perk. The Tarte set was the diamond perk. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Again, there are ways to take advantage of the free gifts at Ulta, and they do these quite often. Just keep your eyes out, check your emails, and always, if you're shopping at Ulta and you know that you're gonna shop from there, look on the sale section and look for gifts with purchase. Just don't buy the item to get the free gift. You know, I wanted to get this for my husband for my anniversary. I wanted to get him something small. So I happened to score like this. Just don't go out of your way. Just buy something you really don't want just to get the free gift. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!